What's good, y'all? I'm gonna spread some words of encouragement for myself, to myself, my reflection, whoever watching this video, whoever just claim it, receive it, and just know it's for them. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm not for everybody. Uh, yes, it's coming. It's like I got like a vision, you know? Today was one of those days. It's still reflecting and just knowing everything happens for a reason. Everything. You are not late. You are early. You are on time. You have walked this path before. You know you are destined. You are destiny. Your story was written, and you can rewrite the story. You can change the story. You can do whatever you want with your story. You are a soul on a mission. You have a soul's purpose. Appreciate the things around you. The holographic world is fake. You know, that's why you should always feel free. Is that's the word I'm looking for. Always feel free. Always feel free to speak your mind, speak your truth, speak from your heart, and knowing God sees you. You know what I'm saying? No matter what religion you believe in, as long as you believe in yourself. You know what I'm saying? Believe in your spiritual power, and just knowing you run the world. You know what I'm saying? You run this world. You run this reality. God gave you the key to be gifted. You know what I'm saying? You have the key of just being abundant.